Loving students and dear parents, I hope you all are happy and safe. Through this video, I want to tell you that our Vidyalaya is missing you a lot, as you are missing yourself, your Vidyalaya at your home. The positive energy of our parents and students has always benefited us to get success in many ways for this Vidyalaya. So again, we will have to come up with the positive energy to fight this COVID situation. Now, we are not able to give you the practical classes, physical classes, but we are striving hard to give you classes online. We have started giving Google Sheets, Google Class, Zoom classes, WhatsApp, videos, so many things so that your studies may be fun. So, according to me, you should be attending your classes regularly, with diligently, and you should maintain your record also. In this COVID situation, we are lacking many resources, but when there are lack of resources, we do become more creative. So everybody has to be more creative with the resources available with them. So through this video, I welcome all the students and parents after summer vacation, and let us have the studies with more enthusiasm, more zeal. And I am praying to God, please get the situation over from us so that we can meet again, we can have our normal life back again. My dear students, you are missing your Vidyalaya, so let us take a tour of your Vidyalaya, and we have done so many things that is new for you and good for your Vidyalaya. Let us have a look that also. See you again in this video. Bye.
Hello everyone. It's not the same when we are not at school together. I just wanted to tell you that we miss you all. But as teachers and staff members, we are still working together and thinking about you. While you are at home, you can keep your mind active. We would like to provide a glimpse on the coronavirus pandemic, the quarantine period. What do your mornings look like once you enter the school campus? Vidyalaya welcomes you back after the summer break. The park, your swings, slides, seesaw, beautiful blossoming flowers, the lush green plants, all have been waiting to greet you. These colorful alphabet, numbers, shapes and sizes, and wall paintings that we have been working on under the Bala project are waiting for your eyes to appreciate them. The classes seem empty without you. Vidyalaya seems lifeless without your cheer and laughter. So does the assembly hall. While we have been waiting for your arrival, we've been trying to give you an improvised Vidyalaya. We have built a new set of steps towards the canteen for your convenience. We have also been working towards sanitization of the Vidyalaya to give you a safe environment when you return. The Vidyalaya has procured 42 new computers, new badminton poles, and has created a Bharat Scout Guide corner. The Assembly Hall and the MP Hall have a brand new look after their whitewash and are eagerly waiting to welcome you back. As you are aware that the Vidyalaya has also come up with a digital reading platform.
We are very grateful to our mentors for keep guiding us in every situation to maintain the brand KV on the top of the schooling education system. Our beloved Commissioner KVS Mr. Santosh Kumar Malji, Mr. NR Murliji, Deputy Commissioner KVS RO Mumbai, Mr. SP Patilji, Assistant Commissioner KVS RO Mumbai. Here we are with our PGT staff who is dynamic and diligent. Here we are with our young, energetic TGT staff They all are working for you continuously. Here we are among our PRT staff, those who are benevolent and caring. Here you can meet our office staff who are always there to accomplish any task. Our teachers are in quarantine and still they are teaching from their home. Thanks to all our staff for performing duties willingly. As on 29th June, across India, approx 5,48,000 COVID cases are confirmed. Out of that, 3,20,000 has recovered. In this pandemic, we will have to be more careful and follow the instruction of Ayush Ministry that are as follows. Now you can see the pics of Chavanprash, basil leaves, cinnamon sticks, turmeric powder, arsenic album 30 recommended by Ayush Ministry, hot water, lemon, apple. These all are the immunity boosters. Apart from these, you should have good sleep, wear mask and sanitize your hand regularly.
Hello children, obey your parents and study regularly.
Stay fit, stay healthy, and say no to junk food.
Dear students, feel free to reach out to teachers. We are there for you.
Hello everyone, don't overlook your online classes, complete the task given and maintain a record. Keep learning. See you soon.
Don't misuse mobile and time during classes.
Hello, dear kids. Exercise and meditate daily to keep your mind and body fit while we are indoors.
Hi dear students, do not panic about academics and pandemic.
Hello everyone, staying apart is the best way to stay united. Practice social and physical distancing. Keep your distance 6 feet. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe and enjoy your study. Stay home, stay safe and enjoy your studies.
Stay home, stay safe and enjoy your studies.
Dear parents, spend time with family and talk to your children. Maintain emotional balance. Monitoring of online studies is must as well as shouldn't be an obstacle for children. Application for bona fide certificate and children education allowance form can be sent on our mail ID. TC forms are available at INS Mandvi main gate. TCs can be collected from the main gate after 3 days of the deposit of the form. Admission for 2021 will be intimated as soon as we receive the guidelines. You have always cooperated and we sought the same in the future also. Stay home, stay safe.